So everyone has revised this topic. I'm starting with the questions. Few questions are easy only, just you need to identify the structure only. And I have opened simultaneously NCERT also. Wherever you will stuck, I'll show the chapter part only. Right. So start with this first question of chemistry in everyday life. That question is just first question is just an easy question. You just need to identify the structure. The question is the correct statement about A, B, C, and D. Right? There are 4 structures. So identify the statement A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? First, you try to identify the A, B, C, D structure. What is A? What is B? Like that.
B options.
Which one? B.
Yes.
B.
Yes, sir. B.
C and D are tranquilizers. Okay. Can you tell me what is A structure?
Penicillin.
Very good. Penicillin. What is B?
Chloramphenicol.
Very good. C?
Veronal.
Absolutely. D?
Nardils.
Very good. Very good. So penicillin, suppose, okay, question is okay. I'm asking, what is the functioning of A penicillin?
Antibiotic.
Okay. What is B?
Antibiotics.
C? What is the name of C?
Veronal.
Veronal. Absolutely. So veronal is basically a derivative of
Barbituric.
barbituric acid. What is the C?
Nardils.
Nardil. What is the use of Nardil?
Antidepressant.
Huh?
Antidepressant agent.
Exactly. So what the Nardil exactly do?
Enzyme inhibitor.
Enzyme inhibitor.
Enzyme.
Yes. So which chemical is responsible for giving the well-being feeling or nervousness?
Noradrenaline.
Noradrenaline. Absolutely. Yeah. Very good. So C and D are tranquilizers. Answer B is absolutely correct. Very good. Yeah. Okay. Start with the question number 2. Okay. Yeah. A option. Which one?
B options.
B option. Yes, absolutely. Answer is B option only. Very good. Now, how the reaction will proceed? This is simply a diazo coupling type reaction. This is basically diazo coupling type reaction. This is diazonium. Okay, so this one and the medium, no, in aniline case, we use mild acidic medium for coupling process, right? So from this NH2, either ortho or para position will attack. This ortho won't attack because it is sterically hindered. So either this ortho of this amine or para, right? Any one of the position we can attack. So this position suppose attack here. So you will get the compound like this. You will get compound like NH2, NH2. This will give like this coupling type process. And here we get SO2, NH2, right? And this compound is a prontosil. Everyone remember this compound, prontosil?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So diazo coupling I have used here. Now, given below are 2 statements. Novestrol is anti-fertility drug. You know that? The general structure of Novestrol is this. So choose the correct option.
C options.
Which one? B option.
C.
C. Statement first is correct, but second is false.
Yes, sir. C.
Why the second is wrong?
It is benzene rings.
Very good. So there are 2 drugs. Can you tell me the name of those anti-fertility 2 drugs? Novestrol and norethindrone. So now you listen. Norethindrone. Then what you can do? This is one means ketone. And novestrol, all means OH. So in this case, novestrol, all is not there. So this compound can never be novestrol. This compound is norethindrone. It is ketone. So that is why novestrol is anti-fertility drug. That is okay. But the structure is wrong. This is ketone. So this is norethindrone. If it is novestrol, then it will be like benzene condition, phenolic. Phenolic OH will be there. Right. So option C is the correct answer. Very good here. Good job. Correct structure of a bithionol. These are the simple questions. Then I will start some different questions. Correct structure. Which one?
Options.
C. Yes, absolutely. And this is the highly symmetrical structure. Cl like this, Cl like this, both OH on the ortho position, middle we have sulfur. This is a highly symmetrical structure, bithionol. Where we use bithionol?
In soaps.
Disinfectant.
Soaps.
In medicated soaps, right? Good. Okay, now this question you need to finish. What will be the product A? Anyone?
A options.
Heroin. Okay. Okay, I'll show you something, right? So that you can get better idea. I'll show you in my NCRT. What the NCRT I have marked, I'm showing my NCRT. Listen carefully. Beta, here we have these three compounds. Now listen, please, everyone, carefully. First, you remember like MHC. There are three compounds: morphine, heroin, codeine. Right? You please remember three compounds: morphine, heroin, and codeine. Okay. The basic structure is the same in all three cases. Means we have three rings. Out of three rings, one ring is benzene ring. One ring is benzene ring. One ring is benzene ring. Other ring is cycloalkene only, cycloalkene only, cycloalkene only. Then we have this furon type ring, like a fourth ring with ether, like a tetrahydrofuron type structure. It is not exactly tetrahydrofuron, but I'm just telling you the similarity. And then one is a bridge structure that is common. And they will never ask the structure like this actually. They will simply give a structure and then they will ask just to identify. Okay, so the basic structures are same. We have changes here only. Here we have phenolic OH. This is normal alcohol. When this compound, suppose do acylation, like CH3COCl acylation, right? Excess of acetic anhydride, that kind of acylation. I am showing you. I'm showing you here. Here, this is a phenolic OH. This is normal OH. If you do, hey, are you comfortable in this visibility?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two alcohol, when I use excess of CH3COCl, so both O will attack here, become OCOCH3. This will also attack here, become OCOCH3. So that will become OAC. OAC means it is a heroin, right? Okay. If I use NaOH, NaOH meaning is a base. If you use NaOH, the more acidic H will release. If I use one equivalent, like the more acidic H will release, then it will become O minus. O minus when attack CH3I, that will become OCH3, and this OH remains as it is. If one OCH3, one OH, that will become like a codeine. So for these two alcohol, if I do excess acylation, both will become OAC heroin. If I use only one NaOH, on the best acidic H gone, this O minus attack on methyl iodide, so become OCH3, now become codeine. More question. I'm telling you more question. In this case, suppose if they ask number of chiral center, chiral carbon, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In all cases, all three cases, I am getting 5 chiral center. Morphine can give neutral FeCl3 test because of the phenolic OH. right? And codeine can give steric ammonium nitrate test. It won't give neutral FeCl3 because phenolic OH right now is not there. It will give a steric ammonium nitrate test. This can give neutral FeCl3 as well as a steric ammonium nitrate, both test. Suppose new thing. If they use, suppose NaH, a very powerful base condition of H minus. If that remove this acidic H, now it can remove even alcohol H also. Now both are O minus, O minus. In that O minus condition, if I provide a CS3I only one equivalent, then this O minus will attack, because that O minus, this O minus, if both are available, this O minus more involved in resonance. So this is more nucleophilic. So this O become OCS3. In that case, codeine won't form, because in codeine, phenolic OH become OCS3, not the normal OH. You must be very careful about that, because those type of pictures will create illusion actually. You got, bacho? You got this point?
Sir, is nitrogen not chiral here?
Nitrogen, huh? I'm asking chiral carbon center actually.
Okay.
So now you see the picture. Bacho, now one more thing. This is CS3. Are you getting my point? OCO-CS3. So by using NaOH, OH minus, I can do hydrolysis. O minus come down, this O release, that become O minus, O minus. Hey, my voice is clear, bacho? Hello?
Now clear.
Okay, can I am just switching off my video because I think my connection in my hotel is not much stable. Is that okay? Now voice is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, right. So if this OH minus when attack, then it will attack like, suppose you have some ROAC. AC means COCS3. So if OH minus attack here, this is O minus coming down, releasing this. That O minus will become OH by aqueous acetic acid. Hey, whenever they write na beta aqueous acetic acid, you simply understand about acidic workup. Don't be confused, sir. If I get OH by acid, can I do now esterification? Acid with alcohol. Hey, this is aqueous acid. In esterification, we always use concentrate acidic condition. Whenever they give aqueous acetic acid and you have any alcohol group, don't go for esterification. This is simply for acidic workup. Okay, O minus is there so that it will become OH by aqueous acetic acid. O minus will there become OH by aqueous acetic acid. Now both become OH, OH. K2CO3 is a normal base. So that will remove the best acidic H. So now become again O minus attack on CS3I as it is one equivalent, OCS3 become. So now M, H, C, morphine, both are OH. Heroin, both are OAC. Codeine, one OCS3, one OH. So this compound is basically codeine. Hey, everyone, you got this point, beta?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
now I'm moving to the next question. This question is again simplest one only. Which of the following is an example of liquid dishwashing detergent?
B options.
Which one?
B.
B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone?
B, sir.
B only? Yes, absolutely. Can you tell me what kind of detergent? What kind of detergent this is?
This is soaps.
Cation.
No, cation.
Abba, this is anionic. This is anionic detergent. This is non-ionic detergent. This is nothing. This is cationic. In a cationic, cation should be there, na yaar? Hey, don't think about this Na positive or Br minus. They are just to support the ionic condition. Main component is this one. And this is having cation. So this is cationic detergent. The main component is this one. This is having anion, SO3 minus. So this is anionic detergent. No charge is there. Non-ionic. Cation is there. This is cationic. Are you getting? This one is anionic. This one is non-ionic. And the last one is cationic. Can you tell me the use of anionic detergent?
Toothpaste.
Very good. That is toothpaste. Okay. This non-ionic is
For liquid dishwashing.
liquid dishwash. Right. And what the purpose of cationic?
Air conditioner.
Air conditioner. Right. Perfect. Yeah. So here the liquid dishwashing detergent is B. Right. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Now the next question. Seventh one. Again, I have like create one equation only. Go for this question. Benzene ring.
B option.
B option.
A option. Say
A option.
A option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. First, we are getting bromobenzene, then Grignard reagent. So finally, I am having this Grignard reagent MgBr. Grignard is anionic condition that will attack here, release Br. So benzene basically have CH2, CH2 whole value 10, CH3. Then if you do sulfonation on benzene ring, para position become SO3H and acidic H replaced by the base will become sodium, like acidic H remove. This is basically what? Anionic detergent. Toothpaste. You got? Okay. Eighth question is again easy question. Eighth question is again easy one only. Polyethylene glycol used in.
B options.
Yes, this is very simple. Non-ionic detergent. And whenever you say, I can open NCRT also, right? Suppose if you have any issue. Ninth question is a little bit good one only. Ninth.
Lysine, sir. D option.
So you are checking NCRT?
Not mine, sir. That.
So, okay, aspartame and allitame we are discussing. I'll show you something. This one is beta aspartame. This one is aspartame. Now you please check. In aspartame, as the name actually is given, that is aspartic acid and phenylalanine. Now you listen please carefully. You know, like aspartic acid, you know, na, everyone? Aspartic acid, you know, or should I show? Should I explain this, बच्चों? बच्चों मेरे को explain करना है क्या?
Structure पता है, sir.
Structure पता है. Okay. So in this case, if I go for hydrolysis, this amide bond I need to hydrolyze. If I hydrolyze this amide bond, then this will become COOH. So now the structure will be like basic structure of amino acids are like this. This R is a variable. If I place here CH2COOH, that will become aspartic acid. So same situation I am getting here. If I hydrolyze this, so NH2CH will become here, and this part is a CH2COOH, that R part. So this is aspartic acid. Here, if you check, then again you check NH2CH if I get CH2 phenyl. So this is a phenylalanine. So if I get NH2 here, this is also hydrolyzed, we'll get NH2, CH, COOH and CH2 phenyl. So we are getting alanine. So from aspartame, we are getting aspartic acid and phenylalanine. That is okay. If I go for allitame, if I break this, so I am getting NH2, CH, COOH. This is aspartic acid part, CH2, COOH. If I break this compound, then NH2, NH2, CH, COOH, and CH3, that is alanine. So if I come to the question, I am getting aspartic acid, I am getting alanine, I am getting phenylalanine, but I am not getting lysine. Now you please check. Either asking about which structure is novestrol. The question is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Please check. What is the correct structure of novestrol? Now you can easily identify.
C options.
Which one?
C.
C option. Is that? No, I'm just asking. You are saying C option, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, absolutely correct. Novestrol, so it should be all phenolic all, right? And the main illusion is where we have this CH3. At the adjacent of CH3, you must have OH and alkyne, not after one gap. This is wrong. Just adjacent to this CH3 carbon, this bridgehead carbon, we must have adjacent OH and alkyne. And novestrol and norethindrone, these are the two compounds which can react with Tollens reagent and can give what is silver, that white precipitate, not silver mirror. You know, na, terminal alkyne can give silver acetylide. You getting my point? So
Yes.
novestrol and norethindrone both can give a white PPT with a tolerance reagent. Both can give a neutral FeCl3 test also. So novestrol and norethindrone both will give a white PPT with the tolerance reagent because they are having terminal alkyne. Both will give a neutral FeCl3 test because they are having phenolic OH. Now, can you identify prontosil also? Just 5-10 minutes back only I have discussed. Prontosil. Can you identify prontosil? Okay, tell me. This
Can
is
be.
prontosil or not?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, B is prontosil or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Absolutely. B is, because I showed you that time. Keep 2 and NH2 on meta position. From para, we have attack on that diazonium. If you remember, just before only I have solved that question, SO2, NH2, that only. So this is a prontosil. Very good. Which one is a sulverson? Is that sulverson? A, I'm just asking. No. Okay. B is a sulverson?
No, sir.
No. Very good. C is a sulverson?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. In sulverson, phenolic OH are on the anti side of each other. In the sulverson, both phenolic OH are in the anti side of each other, and middle we have arsenic. Adjacent to this, we are having NH2. So you should not trap in the illusion of these structures, right? Which of the following is correct structure of sulfapyridine? Yes.
D option.
A option, sir.
D or A? What you're saying? A or D?
A option, sir.
A
D
you are
option. D
A
option.
and D.
A,
So which one?
D, sir.
D.
D. Absolutely D. This nitrogen should not be here. This nitrogen should be here only. Don't miss. Come on. Okay. This structure is wrong. B structure is wrong. This B is
Yes,
wrong.
sir.
Why?
The rings are
Sir,
exchanged.
because NH should go right side. of
Yes,
SO2.
because the basic component is sulfanylamide. And for sulfanylamide, it should be like SO2NH2. Then it will attack on pyridine structure. So this sulfanylamide is the main component. That is why NH should not be here. With NH2, first we should have this SO2NH2 condition that will attack on the pyridine. Right. Very good. So answer is D only. Okay. The class of drug to which Valium with above structure belongs to?
A option.
Yes, this is normal question only. Tranquilizer, the derivative of barbituric acid, right?
No, sir.
Ah,
This is not derivative of barbituric acid.
sure.
Yes, sir.
So, um, should we go for that? I think derivative of barbituric acid looks veronal, amytal, and this nambutal, luminal, and seconal. These that are called barbituric hypnotic sleep. Some other substances uses. Yes, yes. Valium will not come under the barbituric acid. Yes, absolutely. Yeah. So now this is the this question is again good one. Correct statement about A, B, C, and D. Correct statement about A, B, C, and D. Which one?
D.
D. A, B, D are antihistamine. Bacho, tell me what you are saying.
Yes, sir. D.
D only? Yes, absolutely. Answer is D. This is itself a histamine.
D is antacid, not antihistamine.
Which one? And
D.
all are antihistamine. The category of antihistamine is one is antacid, other one is anti-allergic. But both are antihistamine, na?
Okay.
So what is the name of this compound? Can anyone tell me?
Dimetaps.
Huh?
Dimetap.
Dimtap or brompheniramine.
Brompheniramine.
What is the structure?
Terphenadine.
Terphenadine. Very good. What is this?
Histamine.
Histamine. What is this?
Ranitidine.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Good job. So, okay. ABDR antihistamine. Now, please tell me, antibacterial agent Prontosil in the body is converted to a compound. Prontosil in the body converted into one particular compound. Identify that compound. Tell me.
B option.
Which one? B, Bombay?
Yes, sir. B option.
Yes. This is
B.
sulfanilamide. That's that only the term sulfur drugs are discovered. Prontosil in body converted into sulfanilamide. Okay. Good, good, good. One more good question is coming. Not 17 one. 17 you first simply check. Not correctly matched. Cimetidine sulfur containing drug. Is that? Cimetidine sulfur containing drug hota hai.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Histamine is potent vasodilator. Is that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ranitidine is antihistamine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Saldane is antacid drug.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No,
Very
sir.
good. This is anti-allergic.
Anti-allergic. Yes, sir.
Very good. Which of the following is responsible for inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandin?
Sir, it should be D option, but we should also have that COCS3.
But D is simple salicylic acid. I think you are thinking about aspirin.
Yes, sir.
But this is not aspirin. Just try to get the sense of question, not exactly language. Any painkiller can inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandin. Na? And NCRT, they have given the aspartic or that asparagic or aspirin.
Sir, A option.
So any painkiller you simply check na. Aspirin is one of the painkiller, but any painkiller can inhibit the synthesis of prostaglandin. Can we move? This question you please check. All of you. 19-1. 19. Now you can easily solve this question because I have explained everything. That kind of question JEE people can ask in advance from chemistry in everyday life. Bacho?
Yes, sir. C option. C
Yes,
option.
absolutely. Answer is C only. Yes, yes, yes. because I just tried to create some illusion like P is morphine, Q is heroin, R is codeine, but all 1, 2, and 4 are wrong answer. Only this the third one is correct, codeine. Okay, then tell me what is P?
Heroin.
Heroin.
Yes, because we are doing hydrolysis. So both should be OAC, OAC, MHC. Here both OH, OH. Here both OAC, OAC. Here O methyl and OH. That was the picture. So hydrolysis will go for heroin. Then only one NaOH. So phenolic OH gone. And that become OCS3. Right. So this, what is Q? Q will be morphine.
Morphine.
And R
Yes,
will
sir.
be codeine. So only R is matching with this. Very good, yeah. Very good. Okay. We'll come to the next question. Check this one. Bacho. So what is the answer?
B option.
B options.
I'm not getting D Delhi.
B.
B Bombay, sir.
B Bombay. Okay. Okay. First, what you have done, Grignard reagent here. That will attack here. So 12 carbon chain will create. Then oleum means SO3H. That will become finally SO3. So anionic detergent that will not contain any soap. Right? Used in toothpaste. Anionic. So answer is 2, 3, 4. So A option.
Incorrect ask.
Sir, incorrect is
asking.
first.
Okay, so 2, 3, 4 means B's. Yeah, right. I didn't see that incorrect. Okay. Now, one more. This is again good one. That kind of question they may ask actually.
C option.
Terpenol.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया. Very good, very good. Now I'll show you. This is a terpenol. Bacho, now see this question. This is a terpenol. Got? If you do ozonolysis, this double bond will break and that will become CS3, C double bond O, and this. Here we have CHO and here we have 2 methyl and OH. Now, by using NaOH, do aldol. For aldol, this alpha H gone minus charge that will attack here. This will become OH. So 5-member ring will create. That only I am asking in the question. So this compound was terpenol. First ozonolysis, then dilute NaOH, meaning is aldol contents. So what I am trying, I am using the organic reaction in chemistry in everyday life. Because I know that kind of question they may ask in JEE Advanced. I'm feeling like that because first time it is coming. So I'm feeling they may ask such type of questions. They will use that reactions, aldol, Kenizaro, neutral FeCl3, carbylamine, Hoffman bromamide, that kind of reaction they will use. Okay, now one more thing. Serotonin is a compound as a reactant. Then these are the reagents what we are using. Hydrogenation, methyl iodide excess, moist Ag2O, then ozonolysis. You know what is serotonin?
Yes, sir.
Neurotransmitter.
Yes.
Tranquilizers.
Okay, just a minute. This is serotonin. Is that clear? Tranquilizer.
Double bond is not there.
Double bond is there.
No, sir.
In NCERT, it is not given, but in the original structure of serotonin, double bond is there. In NCERT, it is actually missing.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So H2PDC double bond reduce. Then CH3I will become like a CH3, 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 H replace, become this leaving group. Now use moist Ag2O, so beta H will give back, this will give backup as a OH minus and then release this. Here we will get double bond. Double bond ozonolysis, we will get here CHO. So CHO, this one is wrong. This one is correct. I have flipped the structure just to create illusion. You may feel this structure. But what I did, I flipped the structure. So this is the correct answer. OH, para position this NH, and after one alternate, we are getting CHO here. So C option is the correct answer. Are you getting? Bacho?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Should I
sir.
explain? Should I explain again, or you got this point?
Got it, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. One more structure. One more question. This is again good question. Yeah.
B options.
C option.
Tranquil-
C options. C options.
Antidepressant drug.
Yes.
Okay.
sir.
First you replace this Br and you will get NO2 here. That become NH2. That become diazonium. And when diazonium replaced by SnCl2HCl, that will actually become NH2. That is Nardil. And what is Nardil? Tell me.
Both B and C.
Both B and C. Tranquilizer as well as antidepressant drug. And if question comes like a single choice, then what you will take?
Tranquilizer.
C.
Tranquilizer.
Antidepressant drug.
Antidepressant is a part of tranquilizer.
So if the single choice they ask, no, so we should go for the more deeper side. Tranquilizer is the community. In that community, the antidepressant drug is Nardil. Like that I'm saying. Getting my point?
Sir.
Okay. One more question. Now you can easily understand this question. You got now?
CD, sir.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Answer is CD only. Okay, I'll explain. Morphine with the 2 moles of NaH. So both H gone, both O minus with 1 mole methyl iodide, this will attack. And if this phenolic OH attack, then only you will get codeine. Or now with 1 mole methyl iodide, this will more nucleophilic because this O minus is in resonance. If this become OCH3, that is not codeine. So this option is eliminated. Morphine on treatment with 1 equivalent methyl iodide. So out of the now no O minus. In normal OH condition, this O lone pair in resonance, so only this will attack on methyl iodide. Again, this is not codeine. B option is again wrong. Now morphine on treatment with 1 equivalent NaOH, only this H gone. And then methyl iodide, this become codeine. So C option is correct. Morphine on treatment with excess anhydride give heroin. That is also correct. So only C and D options are correct. That kind of question I am expecting JEE Advanced may ask. You please be careful about this chapter here. Okay, one more question, 25. This also I have prepared from Chemistry Nevertheless. Actually, this is my book. Actually, in this book, last year, actually, I have prepared these all questions from Chemistry Everyday Life. So this question is again good one. A, B, C, D. Okay. NaH, what you have removed? This acidic H you removed, right? And then ethyl. Again, one more remove. Again, one ethyl. So this is the compound P. And by using Q, we are getting this N2O. So that should be, as per the option, I am getting idea. This should be like urea. And if you use urea, then urea will attack here and remove this O minus, this OMe. So that will become basically double bond O, ethyl, and as urea attack, that will become like this. This is veronal. You got? So this
Yes,
Q
sir.
should be urea, and this compound should be derivative of barbituric acid, which is a class of tranquilizer. R is more acidic than P, which is R, this one. More acidic than P, yes, because this H can be acidic. Yes, so C can also be the answer. There will be 3 CO group in R. Yes, D is also the correct answer. So answer is A, B, C, D all. Getting everyone?
R molecular formula.
Is not matching. But that
Only
you
one
please check.
oxygen.
There may be some typographical error. It should be O3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll correct it. So this is the part what I just wanted to discuss with you, right? JEE Advanced summary. In this, what the JEE have asked in the last 10 years, na, I have created 4 columns actually. What the reagent they have asked, how many name reaction they have asked, POC what they have asked, concepts what they have asked, trap and exception what they have asked. Like that, I have created one file. After this file, all JEE questions I have removed option and directly given to a student ki please solve these all questions without option, so that you will get the definite idea how to proceed the questions. Like that, I have prepared one more file like this, and all nucleophilic addition to carbonyl, all reaction from Claden only I have created here. Like that, many files actually I have prepared. A reaction of enolates. Okay. All NaNO2 plus HCl, how many reactions given in Claden I have collected at the one place only. Okay, I'll ask to sir, just add me in the group. Then I'll share. ठीक है बच्चों,